Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. All right, we are doing a cup based on a recent video that I did. This one was a ghost swirl using neons on black. The only neon alcohol inks I have and that I used for this cup are from Marabou. We have neon blue, yellow, pink, and orange. I have no neons in any of the other brands of alcohol inks I have, so this is what I used. As you can see, they're kind of, I don't know, they don't show up very well on black. This was kind of a disappointment of a sort. Somebody asked, how would they look on white? And I think the answer is they would look much brighter, and we're gonna find out how they look. We're gonna do basically exactly the same thing, except I'm starting with a cup that I sanded, washed, spray painted matte white, and then I did the Tack-It method to put glitter on it, and the glitter I put on it was Bright by Peachy Olive Glitters. It's a gorgeous rainbow fine or extra fine white. So we have a white glitter cup. It's been sealed with some clear spray, and now I'm going to put some resin on it, add rainbow alcohol ink from Marabou just for extra sparkle, and then I will drop on the neon colors and I will drizzle on some white, which is white alcohol ink mixed with a little bit of the resin, and drizzle that on, and we'll see what we get. So here we go. Sit back and enjoy the show. Alrighty, so here is our cup. It is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, really stunning. I love it. So then I wondered, well, what could I do with this? So Gonna put a decal on it. This is the new, as in new to me, printable vinyl I've been using at the recommendation of Corinne Blackstone. I will link to her video below where she goes into much more depth about this product. But I ordered a package from Neato Label Company, and I really like how it behaves so far. We'll see how it behaves for this project. I can link to a previous video where I used a full sheet of it as a complete cup wrap. That went pretty well. This time I don't know. Plan A is I'm going to peel one of these off here as a sticker and put it on. If that does not work for some reason, plan B is to take some of my transfer tape, get it a little less sticky by probably touching it to my skin or my shirt a few times, just so it's not as tacky, not as sticky, and then using that to try and lift the decal off and place it like I would regular vinyl, adhesive vinyl. And if that doesn't work, we'll go to plan C, and I'm not entirely sure what that is yet. But I have plans A, B, and C available to me here. So I'm hoping plan A works. Let's find out. I have discovered my particular Cricut machine cuts this out a little less forcefully than I would like. Sometimes the edges don't cut completely and I have to struggle. So I use the printable vinyl setting. Oh, I'm ripping it. I'm going to move this out of the way. I use the printable vinyl setting and the pressure changed from default to more. All right, that was just the summer. I do have some parts that I need to get out of here. Wonder if weeding it on the cup is wise or not. We'll find out in a minute. All right, I'll put my guy on here. Where this gets too good and stuck on here, let's see if I can get some of this stuff off. Summer vibes. Okay, now try a Sandy's Organized Chaos trick, which is to use the heat of your hand to try and convince the vinyl to, I don't know, mold better against the cup. Alrighty, summer vibes. Now I wonder if there's anything I can put on the bottom. I have all of this left from my recent aquas and gold tumbler I did. The starfish, little gold starfish. Put him right there. Like that. Okay, I'm going to take this out on the deck. I'm going to spray it with a couple coats of Rust-Oleum 2X matte clear spray. Seal everything on, make it a matte surface for the resin to cling to, and then I'll put another layer of resin over this, and it'll be time for the big reveal. Into that layer of resin, I will also add some more of the rainbow alcohol ink from Marabou. Because I just, like I said, can't have enough sparkles, and it'll give sparkles on top of this graphic and this one. So, stay tuned for the big reveal.